Hello viewers, in this video let's discuss about some of the advantages and disadvantages of pre-stressed concrete and also what are the materials used in pre-stressed concrete. Coming to the advantages, pre-stressed concrete members are free from cracks and the resistance to the effect of impact, shock and stresses are higher than RCC structures, and high compressive strength of concrete and high tensile strength of steel are used for pre-stressing that makes it more economical. Small sections can be used for long span by reducing the section of members. Pre-stressed members are lighter in weight and easily transportable. It requires a small amount of construction materials. The shear resistance of members can be increased by using curved tendons. Pre-stressing also reduces the diagonal tension in concrete. Coming to disadvantages. The main disadvantages of pre-stressing is that requires some special equipment like jacks, anchorage, etc., which prevents the use of pre-stressing. High tensile steel is required for pre-stressing that is very difficult to procure. It requires high skilled workers and should be prepared under expert supervision. It is costlier than other all RCC structures. Coming to materials used in pre-stressed concrete. Steel and concrete are the basic materials of construction of pre-stressed concrete. Steel. Ordinary mild steel and deformed bars used in RCC and not used in pre-stressed concrete because their yield strength is not very high. In pre-stressed concrete, loss of pre-stress, that is about 20%, occurs due to many factors. In mild steel or HYSD bars are used, then very little pre-stress will be left after the losses and will be no use for us. Therefore, high tensile strength steel is used for pre-stressing. In addition to the high strength, the steel used in pre-stressing must have higher ultimate elongation. Various forms of steel used in pre-stressing are there. Those are tendons, wide strands or cables, and bars. Tendons are high strength tensile wires available in various diameter from 1.5 mm to 8 mm. Wide strands or cable is made up of bundle of wires spun together. The overall diameter of a cable or stand is from 7 to 17 mm. They are used for post-tensioning systems. And bars is made up of high tensile steel bars of diameter 10 mm or more than its, and it is also used in pre-stressed concrete. Next one is concrete. Since high tensile steel is used in pre-stressed concrete, the concrete used should also be of good quality and high strength. Therefore, IS code recommends a minimum mix of M40 for pre-tensioned system and M30 for post-tensioned system. These mixes have high strength and a high value of modulus of elasticity of concrete, which results in less deflection. The concrete used in pre-stressed concrete should be well compacted. High strength concrete is used in PSC. For these reasons, those are use of high strength concrete results in smaller sections. High strength concrete offers high resistance in tension, shear bond and bearing. Less loss of pre-stress occurs with high strength concrete. Thank you for watching this video.